Ready to make your Wix mobile site pop with video? First, open your Wix editor and switch to the mobile view to see exactly how your site will look on a phone. Navigate to the Add Elements menu in the editor toolbar. From there, you'll find the Video and Music section. Select Video to bring up embedding options. Wix offers several ways to add video. You can embed from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or upload your own video file directly. For platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, simply paste the video's URL into the provided field. Wix handles the rest, ensuring smooth playback. If you're uploading your own video, make sure it's in a mobile-friendly format like MP4. Wix will process and optimize it for viewing. Once your video is added, you can resize it by dragging the handles on mobile. It's crucial to ensure the video doesn't overwhelm the screen. Consider the autoplay option. While it can be engaging, be mindful of user experience and data usage. It's often best to let users choose when to play. Similarly, defaulting to muted playback is a good practice for sound-sensitive mobile environments. Users can then unmute if they choose. Adjust the video's position to ensure it flows naturally with your content. Aim for clear spacing around the video player. Hit the preview button to see how your video looks and plays on a simulated mobile device. And there you have it, a beautifully embedded video ready to captivate your mobile audience.